Good morning, children. Day before yesterday, I shared a video on notice writing in which I told you about how or what are the points that you should take care of while writing a notice. Now, in this video, I just want to recall all those points as well as I'll share few samples so it may become clear to you that how we will going to use those points in writing a notice. Now please follow the given tips while attempting a question based on notice writing. And what are those tips? Do not cross the word limit to avoid the penalty of marks. The prescribed word limit is 50 words. So as I told you in the earlier video also, that do not exceed the word limit. It should be the content of the notice should be under 50 words. Repetition of any information should be avoided as we already have the word limit. So do not repeat any information. Always enclose the notice in a box. I shared it that whatever the information you are giving, it should be in the box. Keep your notice short, crisp and to the point. No irrelevant thing you may add. Avoid adding or avoid using any irrelevant information. Highlight the title. It can be either bold or underline. Means it should be visually attractive. So how you can make it attractive? By using slogans. Okay, attractive slogans, or you can even highlight the title also by either making the letters bold or underlining it. The title should be captivating and eye-catching. Okay, so that it may attract the readers. Your answer shall include answer to all the 5 W's. So when you are writing a notice, this is the most important point that you should take care of. That is, your notice should answer all the 5 W's. That is what, why, when, where and who. Means what is an event, where it is taking place, when it is taking place, means when means here time. Okay, time and duration you have to mention here, and who is conducting this event. Venue you have to write, and the organizer you have to write, and what is the purpose of this event. These are the points that you should take care of. That is what, why, when, where and who. Focus on presentation and clarity. Means there should be no confusion in the mind of the reader. There should be no question. Each and everything should be mentioned clearly. Now, first sample is notice writing on event. The question is, your school is conducting an inter-class talent search. Write a notice to be put in your school informing students about the event and inviting them to participate. I hope you have understood the question, that your school is conducting an inter-class talent competition. Now you have to write a notice in which you are informing the students of your school about the event and you are requesting them to participate in the competition. Now you can see how the notice has been written. Though there are 2 ways of writing a notice, that is the box format. This one is called the box format, and another one is that each and everything comes in the center like this. Okay, so I would prefer you, or I would advise you to write in the box format. Why is that so? Because you are following the same pattern in your letter writing also. So it will clear your confusion, means you will not be confused. Follow the similar pattern in letter as well as in the notice writing. Do not apply, though both of them are correct, but I would prefer, or I would recommend you to write in the box format. Like now you can see, Everybody Got Talent, a catchy slogan. Inter-class talent search. What is the competition? Timings has been given. When? It answers the question when. Tuesday 24th July, the year 2020. Now timing also given, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Venue, it answers your question where the auditorium of St. Paul's School. Interested students from class 8 to 10th may register with the Vice Principal before 14 September 2020. So you can see it is so simple to write a notice. You can get 5 marks very easily. You can achieve 5 marks very easily without any problem. Okay, only the few things that you have to remember, that it should answer your question, that is 5 W's. What means what is an event? Why, what is the purpose of an event? When means the time, where means the venue, and who is organizing an event. So if you will keep in mind all these points, okay, so nothing will be left in your notice and you will get full marks. Now one of the sample is on lost and found. If you lose something or if you find something, that in that case, what are the points that you should take care of? While walking in a park in your neighborhood, you found a small plastic bag containing some documents and some cash. Write a notice in about 50 words to be put on the park notice board, asking the owner to identify and collect it from you. You are Amar and Amrita. So this is the question. The question is that you were walking in a park and you found a small plastic bag in which there were some documents and some cash was also there. Now you have to write a notice about finding this thing, that is to be put on the park notice board, and asking the owner to identify and collect it from you. Now you can see date has been mentioned. What is the notice about? That is about found. Now the notice is, this is to inform all the readers that a plastic bag has been found in the neighborhood park. What do you find out? Okay, where did you find out? Both the informations are there. It has a few documents and some cash in it. What was there in that bag? It has been mentioned that you find out documents and some cash in it. The plastic color is red in color and is medium sized. Even you are telling about the appearance, that how that found thing looks like. So it is red in color and medium sized. It was found on February 27 at around 6 p.m. near the fountain in the park. So even you are mentioning that on which date did you find it and at what time did you find it and where did you find that lost bag. The owner of the bag shall contact me on the given number along with an identity proof. So even you are telling that at what time or on which number the person should contact with you. And even you are asking for an identity proof. Why you are asking for an identity proof? So that the bag may not reach to a wrong person. At last you are writing thank you, and as you were told that you are Amar or Amrita, so you will going to write your name according to your gender. If you are a boy, then you will write your name as Amar, and if you are a girl, then you will write your name as Amrita. Now the sample number 3, that is notice on tour. The question is, you are the Secretary of Tours and Trips Society of Translam Academy, International Meerut. The school is organizing a 20 days historical tour to some important places in South India. You have been asked by the activity coordinator to put up a notice inviting students interested in visiting those places. Write this notice to be put up on the school notice board. So, you will going to consider yourself as the Secretary of Tours and Trips Society, and the academy name has also been given, and where does it exist? That has also been given, that is Translam Academy International, and it is in Meerut. So the school is organizing a 20 days historical tour. Okay, the places has not been mentioned. It is in South India. Now you have been asked by the activity coordinator, means this responsibility has been given to you by an activity coordinator to put up a notice inviting a student interested in visiting those places. And so you write this notice to be put on the school notice board. Now you can see, first of all, the name of a school, Translam Academy International, Chandigarh. Okay, notice is, the word notice you have written, then the date you have mentioned. Now what is the purpose? Means the heading or a title, that is historical tour. Now the school society is organizing a 20 days historical tour to Chennai, Mysore, Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari and Bengaluru during the winter break. So you are here using your presence of mind by mentioning the name of the cities. Okay, it has not been given in the question, but obviously you have to take care of the point. There means one of the W, that is where. So it answers your question where. Chennai, Mysore, Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari and Bengaluru. And when you are going? During the winter break. Interested students must submit their parents' acceptance letter along with how much charge has been taken by the students, that is rupees 2500, and the last submission date is 15th November 2020 to be undersigned or to their respective class teacher, and this money is to be deposited to the class teacher. The tour is only for the students of class 9 to 12. Vikas Kapoor, Secretary, Tour and Trip Society. Now you can see, in the last video I told you that you have to use your presence of mind. What are the informations that you can give or add up from your side? You can see all the information, most of the information has been added by the student only. Though all this thing was not given in the question, he used his presence of mind and gave all the necessary details that was required for this question. So hopefully all the things are clear to you. In the next later on I'll send you the PDF in which there will be the questions related to notice writing, and please try it at home. If you find any problem, then you can consider or you can ask your queries in the doubt clearing class. Thank you and have a nice day.